As Quran says, who will be settled in paradise? Zalika jazao man tazakka. Those who have purified their soul. So only purified souls can find entry into paradise. So this process, in purifying your soul, is a process, long process. How you can maintain this process successfully? Only through sabr. Without sabr, you cannot maintain this process that will lead you to paradise. So sabr is the most important teaching of Islam. And when sabr is most important teaching of Islam, then it means peace is most important teaching of Islam. And war and violence are most unwanted practice in Islam. Because war and violence and intolerance are permanent hindrance in maintaining that process that is leading you to paradise. So this is the position of peace in Islamic scheme.